can turn your back on them. Next thing you know, bang!
Okay.
Bounce on the bed. That is the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard. Most of the time I leave the house.
Yeah, there you go.
I bet you chose right. I most certainly did not. Yeah, I can see it in your eyes. You can barely resist the urge. So you got to start jumping around like a Circassian razor beast. Guinan. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is ridiculous. That's right.
Where'd you go, Pookie? Where's the ball?
You don't like just one
Oh, you're funny, kitty.
Structure of the ship will deteriorate. And the field indicated the hope that also began to affect the child's crew.
When I tried to beam him, I wasn't even getting along, because the reversion field was nasty large patterns.
Because he only registered part of the Iberian patterns. That would explain why the key sequences are missing.
Exactly. But those key sequences don't think the transporter reconstructed these children.
If they're right, would you be able to use the transporter to reverse the effects?
I think so. As long as there's no reversion field to mask their patterns, we should be able to do it. Chief, can you adjust the molecular imaging scanners to
Race to command director.
Go ahead.
We are entering orbit around LIGO 7, sir.
On my way. We'll discuss this later.
Hey, mister. Okay, you done? Hilton!